guys, how are you this evening? I hope you're doing well. So tonight I thought we'd talk about some items that are new, that are kind of a twist on an old thing. So basically, most of these items, the original items still in the catalog and available, but then they've also added an item that kind of adds a new twist on it and can help serve new purposes for you. So we'll start with this zipper pouch, and these zipper pouches are trusty old favorites of mine. They are wipeable. They are great for things like wet swimsuits. So say your kids go swimming and then you got to head home from something, throw them in here. Wipeable, keeps everything else from getting wet. But it's great for all kinds of things. Sunscreen, all kinds of stuff, because again, wipeable. A very simple concept, but they work great for a lot of things. This print is no longer available, but it is available in 7 prints for $16. But then we also have the size up expandable pouch. Okay, so this is the standard zipper pouch. They're about the same size, except this one's expanded, so you can see how much taller it is. But then when you zip it up, and literally you can see the zipper there, you zip it up in the middle here, and it literally just kind of folds into itself. You can see how it works, and you just kind of go around and zip that puppy up, and then it is smaller, and at that point they're about the same size. Okay, this one is as wide as this one. It just doesn't look like it because it's a little poofed out. And this one's flat, but they are the same size. But again, you can unzip this one and make it larger. It's called the Size Up Expandable Pouch. It's available in 4 prints, including this shiny, pretty rose blush color, and it's $22. So the next one is a new twist and kind of a little sister to an old favorite. So the Essential Storage Tote has been around for quite a while. A lot of people call it the grocery bag because it is about the size of a paper grocery bag, except obviously can be used a lot more than a paper bag. It's wipeable. It's, again, about the size of a paper bag and has the handles. And then it also folds flat, and some of you may also know it will roll up like this for storage. It is available in 6 prints for $32, so it's still available too. Got all these little things on my floor. But then we also have its little sister, or at least what I'm calling its little sister, the Small Essential Storage Tote. So you hold these next to each other. You can see the difference in size. I'm trying to get this to pop out a little bit here. There we go. You can kind of see, obviously about half the width. If you get this one to pop out, that's they're both new, so they've both been in package. So so you can see it's about half the width and depth. So cute. It can hold 2 wine bottles, or it can hold a gallon of milk, but I'm not sure you'd want to do that because it's pretty heavy. But again, it's called the Small Essential Storage Tote. It is wipeable. The handles are the same as the Essential Storage Tote. It's just a smaller version. It is flat. It can also be rolled like this, like the larger version. It is available in 4 different prints, and it's Small Essential Storage Tote is available in 5 prints, and it's $18. So that's a very economical option for all kinds of things. Little kids' bags for them to carry around, all kinds of stuff. So the next one, many of you, I'm sure, are familiar with our Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. It has long been one of our favorite totes. It got its name because it's an organizing utility tote that zips. That's essentially it, right? But if you remember, it has all these pockets, 3 on this side, 1 on either end, and 1 here and here. Okay, and then it zips shut. And again, this is still available in the catalog and online. There's 6 different prints, and it's $38. The moose is not one of them. But now we have the Everyday Essentials Tote. Now, these are about the same size. The Everyday Essentials Tote is a little bigger, and the walls are a little bit thicker, but not very much. But here's why it also seems thicker. They took the pockets and they moved them inside. How cool is that? So you get all the pockets. This actually has 3 on each side, plus, or on each, yeah, I guess it would be side. And then on the ends, it has the net pockets. Sorry, this is hard to do this way. The net pockets, like what you have in the other. So still lots of storage. They just moved it inside. Sturdy handles, just like the other. And then a flat pocket, a Velcro pocket, flat Velcro pocket on the front, right? Isn't that nice? And I love this print, very beachy. And actually this would be great for the beach. With all the pockets, so much easier to find things. But yes, this is the Everyday Essentials Tote, and it's available in 4 prints for $48. Now, the next one is the Sling. So, the Sling back bag has long been a popular bag of ours. This is the only one that I'm showing you tonight that isn't in the catalog, and there is 1 print of this available in the online extras for $36. And this is the new one, and it's actually called the Adjustable Sling Backpack. So, you can see they're about the same size. This one's a little wider. And then this one has 1 pocket on the front. This has 2. And then this side pockets are like a fabric. This one, it's a net, okay? Plus, this has a side zipper. This has the top zipper, right? Well, one of the things that they changed, and this is proof our company listens to our customers. So if you ever have a suggestion or concern, please, please, please reach out. So one of the things people complained about was that this hook would hook onto these fabric loops. Sometimes those tore. So on the new one, on the Adjustable Sling Backpack, they changed that. They put in a ring and you clip it onto that. So it makes it sturdier. The other thing is that while this is not bad, and I never had a problem with this, I carried this around Disney World, didn't have an issue. This one is the nice, they turned this strap into the nice, like our backpack straps. So it's that thick, comfort, kind of cushioned one. So it sits so nicely on your shoulder. It's a lot less likely to hurt your shoulder. So again, this is the Adjustable Sling Backpack. I have to say that slowly. It comes in 2 different prints. This is one of them, and it's $48. So the last ones I'm going to show you are backpacks. Now, I'm not showing you one of the old ones. They're not available anyway. But this first one is called the On Point Backpack, okay? This is only available as a Hostess, we call them insiders now, exclusive. And this one reminds me, it's kind of like a backpack briefcase. But it's very stylish, but also very usable and really cute. It's got a loop on the back, so you can grab it like this, hang it on a hook, whatever. Then the straps come out from this pocket in the back. So you don't have to leave them out all the time. And then they hook onto these rings that are in the pocket there. See, there's the one over there. And see, then you can fold them right back in. So it's got multiple ways to use it. It's got, on the ends, it's got the side pockets here, 1 on either side, and then it snaps. But if you see, there's 2 different, so you can adjust. And it comes with, well, let me show you first. It's got a zipper pocket here, and another thing, a shoulder strap. So you can go from shoulder strap to backpack and back and forth. And it comes with all of this. And then it's got 2 of the little slip pockets here. And you can see it's nice and big. And to give you an idea, it comes with this laptop pocket. And this just folds down in here. Isn't that cute? And it fits. I can tell you my laptop was just right down in here. Here, I'll show you. My laptop fits right down in there. Not a problem. And then it fits right down into the bag. See, the tag's the only thing that's giving me an issue. And that's not going to be there when I carry it around. And there's still plenty of room after you have the laptop for other stuff. So really cute. And like I said, I love that there's all the strap options and everything. So, so cute. But again, this is only available as a Hostess or Insider exclusive. So that means if you hold at least a $200 party, then you can get one of this whole set, not just the bag, but also the laptop thing as a set for $62. Something to keep in mind. So really nice. All right, this last one is also a backpack, but it is available in the thing. They kind of took last season's backpack and upgraded it a little. And one of the things they did to upgrade it is they made it a little bigger. So this will work great for your high schoolers or college kids. It's actually nice and big and has plenty of room for that. Some of our backpacks have been smaller, but there again, this is where they're listening to our customers. It's nice and cushioned on the inside. It has one zipper pocket right there, and it zips straight across here. You can see that. It's got the handles here. It's got a pocket here, and you can see they're nice tall pockets, so they'll hold most water bottles. And then the straps. Again, the adjustable straps, good and reinforced, and that thick handle that sits nicely on the shoulder and doesn't hurt. So it sits squarely and comfortably on your shoulders, which is always so nice. And a zipper pocket on front too. I almost forgot to tell you. Oh, and this, look, ring for your keychain. So I'm telling you, there's some really neat features on this. It is available. It's called the Journey Backpack. It's available in 3 prints, and it's $88. Now, one thing I always tell you about some of our more expensive bags, as much as they are worth it, and they are, trust me, they will last you a long time, they're more expensive. I get it. $88 is a lot of money. But if you spend $50 on other items, you could get that at 50% off. So you could buy accessories like a Ruby Mini and a wallet and some other things, and then get that at 50% off. Or you could buy some gifts. I keep like a gift bin with gifts for different people and such. So that when I need a gift at the last minute, whether it's from one of my kids' friends or something, I have, even if it's just a reusable packaging, like a little carry-all caddy so that I can put things in it and then give it as the gift, whatever. I keep those around for gifts. So you could do that. Or you could get some cubes or rectangles to get some organization done in your house and then get that at 50% off. So always keep that in mind. That's a great way to get a more expensive item at a good price. So hopefully this gives you some great new ideas. If you would like to party with me this spring, I would love to party with you. We can do it on Facebook. We can do it via text. We can do it on one of the other platforms. I'm willing to try another platform. We can do Zoom. There's all kinds of options. And I'm willing to talk to you about it. Most of my hostesses choose a organization theme, and I go through and I give you all kinds of organizations for each room in your house. And there's different ideas for different things. So hopefully you can find the right idea to fit your home and your lifestyle. And if you don't happen to see something, all you have to do is let me know, and then I go and look for it and get you some more solutions. So I'm here to help you. I want to help you get organized and help you be organized on the go, not just at home. So if you have any questions, or you want to have a party, or just you need some help in finding the right organization solutions for you, let me know. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.